So dipstick's out and what?
Dipstick's out and it looks like the oil's sitting around here.
Looks like there's no dip on it?
No, let's
Might be no oil in there?
check it again.
Did you wipe it off?
I did. I'm gonna put it back in, check it.
That's it?
Yeah, need some oil.
It's not even on a dipstick. What's up with that?
You only told him to put in 2 quarts. Tatro.
Well, how many are in there now?
2.
2.
There you go.
Oh, so it's supposed to be 4, right?
Is it leaking yet?
No, you're not leaking. Imagine that, a Harley that doesn't leak.
For right now?
Mine didn't leak before I came to Tatro machine. My bike didn't.
It's not leaking. Yeah, it's going to leak like a sieve now, so I'm working on it.
Before I came to Tatro machine, my bike was just fine.
I was told all Harleys leak.
Mine leaks.
Every Jap bike rider out there says that. Primer's not leaking either, yet. Alright, I'll put one more quart in there just for the hell of it.
I'm going to order you a pizza, Tatro, at about 8:30. It'll be here, all right?
We're going to make you ride the bike around the block a couple times and then come back.
No, you ride it.
I ain't riding this pile of crap.
Yeah, you scared to ride it. You don't like to ride slow bikes.
That's right.
Yeah. Tatro refused to get on the real hard. He keep riding.
I don't like orange. I don't ride orange.
Orange?
My bike is reason why this whole page got going.
Yeah, that's fine.
And when Chris they see me, oh my gosh.
Okay, we got to test out this clutch here, so set up on the bike and test the clutch. Get the extension cord out of the way so you don't run over it. Roll it up to it in the corner over there. All in there?
Yep.
Okay, put that in the quart. Just put it in the quart. There you go.
There it is.
Okay, let's check our dipstick now. It might actually be on it this time. There we go.
A little bit.
How far down has it got to go? Where's the low mark? Where's the low mark at?
When we set it up?
The low one was in here.
Yeah.
So what's on the other side?
There's the add oil mark.
So I don't know how much a quart is.
Full hot.
Alright. So there's already 3 put
The boys
aside
and
to
men
here.
ain't gonna see this. They ain't gonna see me on this one. Guess I ship it out there. I'm gonna be alright.
Yeah, you still need on the add oil mark.
Yeah. Yeah, we know we're on the ad, but we only got 3 in there, so I'm just trying to see where 3's at. Alright, crank her up one more time. We gotta test the clutch this time. Where you like it?
Is it dragging?
Looks good to me.
Ride it out. I think I need my clutch a little bit more grabby.
I ain't got no control of gravity. Let go. It's letting out right here. Is that where you like letting it out at? Looks like it's letting out about the right spot.
Yeah.
It's released. It ain't dragging, so. Put her neutral. Crank it up again. Let's get a little heat in the motor. Got to warm it up a couple more times. Slide it down a lot. All that clattering went away. lot. Right through there. No exhaust.
Yeah.
Peter doesn't know what to do. They don't like it down here.
No.
Blubbering like crazy down there, see? Shut her down. Yeah, that computer really don't like it under 1500. And about 1800 on up, it starts to clean up. But
You start yelling.
you know, definitely 2000.
And it be spurting and catching it go.
At 2 grand, it's on the cam, you can tell. But it don't like it down there, that 12 to 1800 area. It's gurgling. You can smell the rich exhaust fumes. It ain't happy at all down there. Too much of something going on down there. Is the motor warmed up now? Put your tongue on it, see.
Put a carburetor on it. Forget about it.
Yeah, we can dial the carburetor real quick if you want, make it run better.
I ain't bougie. I don't want carburetor.
Okay, we'll let it cool off for about 10 minutes, and then yeah, she's pretty warm. Then go take it around the block twice and come back, and we'll let it cool off some more. Make sure the brakes are all working. You gotta get the brakes bled it, beat it back in. Get all the crap worn off them. Try to keep the RPM under 4. No wheelies, no burnouts yet. Just trying
Ooh, you got a little action, huh?
trying to break the rings in right now. That's why I'm revving up and down a little bit.
Yeah.
Trying to seat the rings. It's not smoke at all, which is good. So we got to do this about 3 more times riding it. So we just double your distance each time we go out. Just give it about 1/4 to half throttle, load it up and down.
What you see?
Put both brakes on, load it with both brakes on,
Oh,
And
found
see-
a little leak.
and see if the clutch likes you or not. Where? What, in the base? Oh, what's that all about? That ain't good. Where's that leaking? Brand new O-rings in there. Where are they leaking? Too hot to get in here and see.
Base gaskets.
I don't know. It might be
It's on both sides. You got bubbles coming out of the base gasket on the front cylinder.
Why the hell are they leaking? Those are O-rings. They're not supposed to leak.
See the bubbles in there?
You got a leak in here too?
Yep.
Don't know. It's all,
There's tire working on the tank, man.
it's all factory case and head cylinders, all that shit. Why do O-rings not work?
That's crazy that it came down that far.
Anyway, let it warm up a little bit, a few more times.
Probably just got to seat everything in.
Yeah, we'll see if the heat settle in and seal them up. I shouldn't be revving enough to hurt it any. I didn't even spend up to 5 grand yet.
I spent $6 grand with you, Tatro. I don't want to see any leaks.
$6, you mean? Close
All
to the
you
real
good, I
money.
spent $6 grand.
Yeah, you wish. Be
I don't
okay.
even think he even gave me the shirt for the viewers.
I can give you a damn shirt, cheap bastard. Work all night for free, and I want free shirt.
You got a pizza. You ate it, didn't you?
Yeah,
You ate it.
It ain't on.
definitely is well lubed inside without grease.
Why you say that?
All right, we're gonna go ride this bike a few minutes. Let it cool off here. All right, first ride. tight clearance. Well, you have to ride like a baby.
Still 1 quart down though.
I told him quarter to half throttle. That ain't quarter to half throttle. Damn, he's riding like an old man. And shift. I think he even shifted. He only got like 10 mile an hour. Yeah. Supposed to look like that bike when it's done, right?
Maybe.
Yeah, I can't even hear him. He's going so slow. Yeah, he'll come back around here in a minute.